down the street, sees Bubba, says, I guess I'll die, and immediately jumps in oncoming traffic.
I don't want to die!
No one's gonna die. Stop squirming. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Who's there? I swear if you're another cheery, smiling freak.
Nope, just a miserable nightmare critter. So, how are you?
Just want to die and stuff.
I know everyone still misses you, and a sunny day like this is perfect for reconnecting.
You sound like a smiling critter.
You leave me no choice.
Oh, but it'd be such a sweet prank.
Now go to sleep before it. Go to sleep. Go to sleek. Get slimmer. You need to be slim and sleek, Dog Day. We're going sliding down the hill.
They're still scared of me. My best friends are scared of me.
They're not scared of you, Baba. They're scared of what you did to Dog Day. They need time.
It wasn't just a little paper cut, wasn't it? I hurt him bad. I hurt everyone bad. They'll never forgive me.
Maybe not right away. But I'll be here for you, even if you throw a knife at me again. 'Cause otherwise you'll be all alone, and that's my thing. Not that I care that much.
Thanks, Poe.
Stupid skull!
Guess you're one dangerous nightmare critter, too.
So it's that bad, huh?
Whoa! Were you there this whole time?
Nope. I use telepathy. Obviously.
What's that? Oh, hey! It's a letter from that little bird. They want the nightmare critters to hang out with the smiling critters for a day? That's a genius idea!
Dog Day, no! I'm gonna run out of sleeping gas protecting all of you from—
New friends, new adventure, and my first chance to put real smiles on faces! Ooh, I can't wait for tomorrow! Gotta sleep now. Good night, Catnap!
Why do I feel like someone's gonna lose a limb tomorrow?